Hello and welcome to MIT Creation. If you're struggling with a paper jam issue in your Epson L3110, L3150, L3210, or L3250 printer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to safely remove jammed paper from these printers without causing any damage. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Epson repair tips. Let's begin by quickly understanding why paper jams happen in the first place. Here are the most common reasons. Overloading the paper tray, using wrinkled, torn, or poor quality paper, incorrect paper size or alignment, paper stuck inside after a failed print job. Identifying the cause helps in preventing future paper jams. Now, let's move on to the actual process of removing the paper safely. Before we start, make sure your printer is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Never try to remove jammed paper while the printer is running. It can damage the internal parts and cause more errors. Also, allow the printer to cool down for a few minutes if it was recently used, especially after a long print job. If you see any jammed paper, hold it firmly with both hands and pull it out slowly and evenly. Avoid pulling with force or at an angle. This can tear the paper and leave bits inside. Once removed, check the rollers for dust or paper pieces. Gently open the scanner unit or top cover. You might see crumpled paper stuck inside the path near the rollers. Again, pull it out gently using both hands. Never use metal tools or sharp objects. This can damage the rollers or sensors. If needed, use a pair of plastic tweezers to remove small pieces stuck in hard-to-reach areas. Once you've successfully removed all the jammed paper, it's time to reset the printer. Plug in the printer and turn it on. Wait for the printer to initialize. If the paper jam error is still showing, press the cancel or stop button and try printing a test page. If the error clears and the printer prints successfully, you're good to go. To avoid paper jam issues in the future, follow these simple tips. Always fan the paper stack before loading. Avoid using curled or damaged paper. Don't overload the paper tray. Make sure the paper guides are aligned properly. Use only recommended paper size and thickness. Regular cleaning and gentle handling will make your Epson printer last longer and work smoother. That's it for today's video on how to remove jammed paper from Epson L3110, L3150, L3210, and L3250 printers. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If your problem is solved, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you need help with resetting ink pad counter, Wi-Fi setup, or maintenance box, check out our other videos on this channel. Subscribe to MIT Creation for more easy printer solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.